Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter complex numbers. Let us see question. Show that the points in the Argand diagram represented by the complex numbers 2 plus 2 iota, minus 2 minus 2 iota, minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 iota are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So we have given three complex numbers. These three complex numbers we can represent in the Argand diagram, Argand plane. Argand plane means the plane in which complex numbers are located. So with the help of 3 points. So let us give names for the points as A, B, C. A is representing first one, B is representing second one, C is representing third one. Now we can write corresponding to the given complex numbers, we can write points. Capital A as 2, 2, 2 plus 2 iota in point from 2, 2. Capital B minus 2, minus 2. Capital C minus 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Now the question is to prove these are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Capital A, capital B, capital C given. How to prove A, B, C are the vertices of equilateral triangle? With the help of lengths of sides. We have to find lengths of sides. Length of AB, length of BC, length of CA. If all the three sides are equal, then that is said to be equilateral triangle. Now let us start finding length of AB first. Length of side AB is nothing but distance between 2 points AB. You know distance between 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 2 whole square. Now minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. So root over minus 4 whole square 16 plus 16. So root 32. So I got root 32. So keep it aside. Next BC, length of side BC. Let us find. BC is equals to root over BC, x1, y1, x2, y2. Same formula. x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus 2 root 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 root 3. Okay na? 2 root 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Now simplification. We cannot add these two directly. Okay? Assume this as A and this as B. Look like A minus B whole square formula. Okay na? 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square is in the form of A minus B whole square. Apply A minus B whole square formula. A square 2 square 4 plus B square 2 root 3 whole square. Okay, minus 2AB minus 2 into 2 root 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3. Similarly, this one is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square. Okay, now 4 plus 2 root 3 whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Plus 2AB means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 8 root 3. So what happened? Plus 8 root 3 minus 8 root 3 gets cancelled. Okay. Now, so BC is equals to root over 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2 root 3 whole square. 2 square into root 3 whole square. Square applicable for both the terms. 2 square 4 into root 3 whole square 3. 2 root 3 whole square is nothing but 4 into 3, 12. Similarly, this one also same, 4 into 3. Now on simplification, 8 plus 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12, 24 plus 8, 32. So root 32. I got BC value root 32, AB value root 32. So one more side we have to find. AC or CA. Okay, let us say CA. CA. So CA. x1, y1, x2, y2. Same. x2 minus x1 whole square. 2 minus of minus 2 root 3. Minus of minus plus 2 root 3 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. Almost all same simplification. 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. Okay. A plus B whole square. A square plus b square 2 root 3 whole square plus 2ab, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 root 3. Okay, plus this is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square 2 square 4 plus b square 2 root 3 whole square minus 2ab minus 8 root 3. Now minus 8 root 3 plus 8 root 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so CA is equals to root over 4 plus 4 8 plus 2 square into root 3 whole square. 2 square 4 into root 3 whole square 3. 4 into 3. Same plus 4 into 3. 2 times. No? So root over 8 plus 12 plus 12. So root 32. So what happened here? AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All are is equal to root 32. So if all the three sides are equal means therefore given points are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay.